Do you want to learn programming in a fun way, that too a fastest growing language like Python? Then you are at the right place. Together we will learn Python from scratch to the very end. Hi, I am Anshuman. I have 10 years of industry experience in analytics and programming. I have worked in different domains like banking and consulting. A Python programming course is good for beginners who have never done programming before, as well as someone who has done programming before. Either it's in Python or in any other language, but wants to learn more about it. The course will cover language fundamentals, basic syntax, and concept of Python. Also, we will do a full-length project. At the end, I will share interview questions and tips. See you soon.